Hey, welcome back to Kuga's Art, and let's draw the awesome looking boombox in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this boombox, and to begin we're going to start out with the full body first. So just going to draw one big rectangle. And then from there we're going to draw the middle section. So try to find the midpoint of this rectangle right here. So you find the midpoint and then just come out slightly, and then you can make two little marks. Okay, so then we're just going to go straight up. Okay, so we're just dividing it up, and then we'll close it off. So this is where the cassette's gonna be. Okay, and then once we have this, let's draw in the speaker so we know where we are. So the speaker is just gonna be one big circle in here. So I'm just gonna draw one half of it first, and then I'll draw the other half. Just come all the way around, and then now go the other side and draw the same thing. So it's a little bit tricky because you want to draw things the same size, but circles are actually really hard to draw. And if you can always use some kind of drawing aid to help you with it, so that you don't get all wobbly like mine. So then from here we'll add in a little bit of detail on the speaker. So this one's easier. We just gotta draw another circle inside. I'll try to make this one better. So it's okay if it's a little bit wobbly. Okay, and then from here we'll draw in, there's two metal bars. So you can just draw in the middle. Just draw one bar like that. And then we'll draw another line outside of it. So this is one bar. And then this is gonna be another one on the side. Okay, and then there's gonna be same thing on this side. So one in the middle. And one line on the outside. Okay, and then there's gonna be some details in the speaker. So right in the middle, just try to find the middle. Just draw one circle, and then we're gonna draw a bigger circle around it. So, and it's gonna be behind the bar, so it's a little bit tricky. So try to center as best as you can. No, mine's a little bit off. Okay, so we got the speakers in. So let's draw in, let's draw in some of the details up here so we can kind of mark out where everything's gonna be. So from here, just gonna go straight up, slant, and then go all the way across, go out. Okay, so same thing here, start around here, draw a line. And then now we draw in the middle section here. This is for the dial. So from the corner here, just kind of go up, straight across. And then on the inside, there's gonna be one rectangle. So we're just gonna come down, go across, come down. And it's just kind of close it off. Okay, and then there's gonna be a small little speaker here, the tweeter. So I'm gonna draw one circle here. Same thing on this side. And then for the details on the speaker, we're just gonna draw one more line around, and then one more small one on the inside. One and one more. Okay, and let's see, let's add in, all right, let's start adding in some of the details now. So in the middle here, there's gonna be a bar. So it's for the dial. And then inside the rectangle, we just draw a line, and we can add in some lines here for the dial. Okay, and then there's going to be two circles in here. So coming down here, let's separate this space right here. So we're gonna draw one rectangle. We're just gonna divide it up. Just draw another one here. And then there's gonna be 2 more circles here, and then in the middle, one little bar. Okay, and then down here is the cassette. So we're gonna draw a rectangle, but just make the corners a little bit curved. And then inside is gonna be the cassette itself. I'll just kind of draw in 2 lines like that. And then in here, draw 2 circles. And then draw 2 bars on top and below it. And then just kind of curve it around. Alright, and then on the bottom here, it's gonna be some controls. We're gonna draw in 1 bar. And then down here, we're gonna draw another bar. And then these are the actual buttons that you push. So we'll just divide that up. And I think these are the controls. So these are the markings like record and forward and things like that. So I'll just make some simplified markings in there. Okay, so that's pretty much all the details on the inside, and we can add in right here, we can add in some screws. And then on the side here, there's gonna be a knob. And then lastly, now we gotta draw in the handle. So for the handle, it's a little bit kind of warped. So just draw in, just come down and make it wider on this side. So this slant down a little bit. And then once you have the handle on the top, then we just kind of come out, angle, and then down. Okay, so come out, angle it, and then straight down. And then once you have that, we just draw the bottom portion. So same thing, angle a little bit shorter and then come down. So we're just giving this line some thickness. And that is it for this awesome looking boombox in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.